Assalamualaikum guys. Today I made this craziest drawing ever. I don't know, but it's kind of crazy. But I color is ears. But did you see the nose? The clown wears some like this nose. They put it on their nose, then they start to look like a clown.
Okay, it's really cute like you.
But I'm not a grown-up anyways. Wish I can put something right here, like a top.
Okay, it's nice, Eva.
Yeah.
What
so
is it doing, the clown?
It's spinning and catching the balls.
Okay, it's really nice. And what do you want to say more?
I don't want to say anything else. I just want to say subscribe to my mom's channel.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.